the series. Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. Here we are now, 564.81, 564.90, and coming down. And the thing about it is, we just had a little bit of a 369 drop in after hours. Once they flush them all out, you can look at the first tape, part 1 and part 2, and you can look at the actual earnings thing on there as we bring it to you live at StockMarketFunding.com. Here we are, 65 by 30, 48 by 50, 83. We're going to see who's going to make a move up off the bottom. That's a green candle. And we're going to take a look, and this is an after hours tick chart. And the thing about it is, we had that slide down. SMF Pro Traders are looking for an entry. Take it up higher and sell into it. In after hours, there's no market makers involved. Only people are involved. Hedge fund traders, electronic traders, everybody doing what they do. And a lot of times they'll walk this thing down to buy it in tomorrow's options expiration. And as I told everybody, what I'm going to show you now is that we sold our calls, and we have those tapes of those exits today. And that means that all these people right here, I'm going to show you something about open interest. 23,000 contracts, and there was 19,000 contracts that people were buying the $600 call. Here, let's get it in the tape. Right here, Google, $600 call. Now let's slide it over, and here's the volume. People bought 19,000. There was 23,000 open. All that money's going to go worthless and go bye-bye. All of it. On options expiration day. Did anybody ever think that would happen? No. But people like to be greedy, and they don't sell. Now, the pro traders, new students, had this $630 call, and today's volume was 3,238 contracts, and there was 2,400 open interest, and we sold our calls. That was a May $600 call. And there's your open interest. So let's get it all in there. Okay. You can see the strike prices here. We sold. And we took our profits. And we had bought in them at the right price. We made that decision. Let it be known. Other people didn't. And now they don't have any profits. Yes, they had the $500 put as well to protect that trade, but what we did was we closed out with our 170% gains, took our money, and now this is the after effect of what could happen during the earnings. And we bought the rumor, we sold the news, and we sold it into strength, and that's your update. And the volume that was traded on these calls today is that all them calls are going to go bye-bye. Cancel out any other orders. Cancel out. Cancel out. Google is trading in after hours, and this is a $560 call that was well in the money. And basically tomorrow I'm going to have bids out on this call at $8.50 to get hit down on that drop-down bid and buy the expiration 560 call. And here's where Google is trading right now. This is the call contract that was $37 in the money. And I get a chance to buy this contract right here. Let's make sure you can see it. There it is. And let's get this right into the tape so that you can see the strike price. Right here it's highlighted. And we're going to buy this big drop in that 560 call and walk away with a boatload of ka-ching.